this when won think ye te so kakra so water yes
yes and say na man for obehu obiana na yi no roli koso na say I say
bafom sa na onim amase say binom so use so antes
okay
driver side horom no be roli amanasi na the other passenger na e right no no twi horom abakakra Edi o say there one bafom kakra antes zed ready me who be say the side what say pumping I feel why you call this say I'm here na hanum number phone am say yes
na wo ko hwe ye
dey na your opinion
already e fa me
anticipate but yeah
say ruru I had a rule
but yeah can't chat by so why idea it's a call and a reduction ebeboa timem for pa because ye nyina ye ditum ne anim so say fuel price ne costro na face nso nya costro pe kwabe che say eye indicator e kire niema boa ebeba na ebe costo wo ye memba eye indicator strong indicator you cannot do anything about that buying the matter say also obelusu eye 200 million net profit of Ghana cedis but it diesel or yes sacrifice no because
say come for say income taxes be na margins be that so no activity of the OFs
but say onya say e bi obi nso be year free so enti we tumi atusa na po yes we tumi atusa na mo no a year free so it tells you say what sacrifice yes commitment is there and what should say the consensus of Ghanaians and so and a consent yes enti eno de hu hia so what so a ye mo na baso no pay why ade toda or ye excesses be into so ma ye ka ti say
the fact say why are so cramet for
yes
Sompa FM
on leadership qualities
yes
you for some time they are not crying sometimes it's not about the money involved but I say Matesu 2 cedi 36%
yeah per liter
because minimum the other minimum
yes
you share a month
yes
now you say a bit mass at subim and I bed because your me day them Kwame say no you hu the eko when the team has a mefin or can who be a nzembebre wa woni mu kwabna bra kweku o kan hu bia
na kwakwa yi bi o
ceasefire ye nim say ade ya boma wie ye be hu say street of hormones ni down na ye be hu resetting na bibia akoyi afa de okwo ye nsem akeka kra ade
okay see kwabe abu akarensi mo se so hu de onye ohun ba bi adefa and it's more of say Kamia say Netanyahu Benjamin Israel prime minister no I call her say you know as what dictate the map Trump be saying mentias you
Israel for the Trump the omo de omeka notie the omeka notie
e say abuaka Trump say mo
do na be mu yo na no mu masemo zo be keka
abuaka ni say
the defense guy defense secretary
yes I'm just said who gets them so they be on the who be say
we are Arabia no US no the 18 dia sha wa adwin say military ne di
obeko
but na so mu bebie mu say drew na Trump be so bebie mama other countries like Africans na but I say bebie drew ne so bebie mu
and say mu say ya no be so the video semhunu se ya
seduru wodi u bebiem
semhunu se ya
eduru wodi
ane u bebiem na Africa for me apply
no mu
adan ya ye nya adwuma anya e wo ha no se
me say Trump no nya correct mo ka
because na no pa wo motu odi nkomo na JB Vance nya call free Benjamin Netanyahu honom Kwame onya call no wie ya conversation na me nya nte se e koso nyina ni nyina afi enkose de omo pe no atete so
say sa nkofo no mako yesi bisha no say na say ni me nyansan hey
Netanyahu oye bibi oye bibi mi wa wo so bombu Lebanon o say Lebanon etiti honom yeah
only Lebanon for akotena so ba be dim community nipa de
we
Papa me police for ase o munsa ka nipa mienu.
Yes, the far the breakum Chelsea. No kwase.
Sompa FM.
Nra me hu sa de no mani gie. Yes, the gang leader the Massa Roberts no.
Ghana police this o manga so mbecho. Da bia meka sa asra manga asambwa. This is o manga so mbecho. Me Ghana police take o manga so mbecho.
So o she ntatia mutu o mukura na yesi ba be you a o be you. But I thought that me
hwɛ nanum go the robbery cause him say was fire
ane
Kwame afi ye wo wa mu ne nemwa de no makwache nkofo
I don't makwa do ha mo
me say Ghana police o manga se mbecho
so omunya ka say ade we ehia ye Kwame ma minyu su wadi ni omunya ka say sa case we ehia ye die 2-1 am a ye becho
wo de bokesa
ye becho
Ghana police so we de ebedi akira
we de ye ni de akiri pa ehia ye
so mo anya ni down ni pabon se don ka so mo ye professional with said de bi o mo ye na
oh yes Kwame no
kwasem
para na kai no kwasem
o
mechew
me say ababa wo ya Cape Coast son ma okọ nurse ya o hin bi friend ya mo ko ya o mo ko yusu na FT o mo tutu
yes tutu form
police ni do carpet se
bisa wo so mo ye de hu say form ha no bi say ha
Oma cast hono
intelligence
draw police ni ba ku gina o sa
no appoint say ha say empenya pa na akoyo
tutu empenya pa ni pa
na ada na sheho so Ghana police no Kwame wo mo nkasa no asa binim say ya akwadwuro say ya ni hawo say so bo apayo
eto bi factors bebre
say bo apayo say so di o binim
factors bebre akwa bi ka payment message o se gbaju cancel scary pa ko echiru
oh yes
Kevin yes say ba mi scary pa ko echiru
sikadi ni pa ko echiru na no kwasem
so that's what wa bu say akofu edwuma di o ni bi o
yes
na kadi aka minia
akadi aka Kwame akadi aka
eto we mo mabaso
akadi aka
say o mo mabaso so mo
kan omo ya de
mo kan mo ya
pa but the fire akonsem so mabushia for mo no be
yes
the fire akonsem fa mo Kwame edi ho
Kwame say fu no biadru ne sa ne beba but the hwe say a month later
no
ye say bia ye benya good news na ebia because they say no cry na say one hwe say the demand any way ni ko and hwe bedru ba bi na scarcity so etimaties
yes
enti am mpa say
no Kwame we have my release no so dey aba bontia me nim say Kelvin me wo ha on so the condition bi be share ho say on be review 1 month so the question about me timo no me reading letter no be 3 times a week and say ba month na ebedru na say bia ntokwasem yi eyi na fu osem na ba fo mo be say introduce sa tu si na o mo dia kushin ye lo e be san ba back ana say ba bia da ye be si ho sa
so mo ye there
to say bia 1 month time no be review no say ko ba say Iran ni American 7 no ekoto din na fi fuel prices no world market no so ekoto din na e ba fo ma sa tu si di ya o mate aban absorb no obesa introduce wa manaba because almost 1 month review 1 month no so no ma say review no say sa review no you be introduce no and I say be man aka ho
titia say banati about 5 cedi and I say instead of some better 5 cedi no better 3 cedis na pushim Robin Peter to pay but where they say no where they say mathematics we Kwame where they say where they
the about the crack I say you 2 cedi now you say you absorb bim muntia oh
them say yen can chiro but ya te so akodu 5 cedi and the 5 cedi now reflected 3 that's a pushim debiting Besa opa MPP for Kwame Balaga o press conference no Kwame Balaga sa bind the bench o fan josa because can end up any ya dey over baby o
yes
and you say ahunye hia brem ye nyimfro na o ho to wa wi na o beje bo se ya dey no ya so a o ba ya ga tem say zika bane de and the corner emphasize the unfanjobuto. Kwame na ati boy. As I'm interested in budget.
Interesting in
budget capital.
And I let her know the BTS and it means a month's time that's still like that switching at the agent and prices no cost by review. Either say we as a 2 city no or be absorb maybe a 2 city 50 pesos or the people can no absorb it. Maybe I will so 36 pesos no they are quite in 50 and I say 70 pesos and I want this. I think you have our questions not to honor.
Press.
This is Hotline. This is not policing. This is political victimization and harassment using state institution. Hotline. This is not policing. This is political victimization and harassment using state institution. Hotline.
The constituency chairman for Sunyani East and other officers who have come from the Bruno region. We have invited you here this morning to let through you, the constituency chairman for Sunyani East and other officers who have come.
Invite regional way no for koi. Regional way for no koi. Executives no. Any even constituency because what Jeff cannot or bought a heading or bought I think Sunyani East constituency chairman no acknowledge no. Bartholomew no or acknowledge no. Bartholomew Parkle Babe Jeff in him. Oh, two. Yes. And now all catcher and said the situation is see they wanted to get
Sompa FM
a woman's society to invite to Munina Ebaho and then JFK then I be in a decant because I won't say I never come before Omutia ye pan say Omu organizer Nanabuachi a lawyer and Omu secretary JFK so a lawyer yes and to Omu sa kind of legal brains executives in him. I think so once in a year forming the legal team for the party. And they told to be a draw on ma. Some of the case here by it said nan mo frere because a region no or mo frere African boa. I know your former deputy attorney general. Or no so ye lawyer crowd wabe bar no president of region him so unrepresented. And they drew a crown because omutu no. Omutu far branting and didn't came na power man phobia. The executives ni bin to care di actually. Ombeduru hono. Now what say? Lawyer for Fred they take you over. I know mu Fred and the minority leader so a lawyer. All corner de Menshia South, member of parliament. Na Kwame was after be full so aka chere. Was after be full aka chere. I say yeah you know be tata be fire. But Babinka say we say Benshia South member of parliament. And I know na oka say me attack you no. Na me sema me kind no. But with a sober reflection, me ko hwe video no. Me hu say some na me kan no. Ebi wo ho a na ye a bit harsh. Enti mame apologize. Na me kan chen say I have no intention say me disrespecting no. Ana say meye bibi etia no ne caliber no. Ana say obi abehye mechi say binye bibi dabi. But sometimes emotions and passion and the zeal and vima yede ye adwuma no because of the love we have for our people. And sometimes you maybe one ma ekosa no mo so dia chen. He's a fine gentleman. I respect him so much. Tidianko ye bia mesre na Menshia South member of parliament. Lawyer we dia adabraka facheme. Na menshia da say me disrespectful the bida and I say me bu animtia. You are one of the brains I respect, sir. ebetimi edi oman edrechi enti say me utterances ni bia nkoye ama now finding different a year with all humility me apologize to you na Mr. say fache na I don't have any intention to disrespect you. You are a big man, you are a senior man, I respect you nti Mr. fache me why
Sompa FM
but no kwada Kwame no nche say oye bibi na me disagree abinkan because now no dia na me kan ye so loku no kofa by na me ka say
no question
and
Kwame no question is becoming a part of a character so mo MPP mo a me admire mo media ma cultural dada oyi afenyo markings na oyi Oba be kan ho de ayi sawo modu ajiri ba ase na nsa yi ne nkasa ye ase entasum entasum bi mo mamenti ase wo ya firim ayi ayi the dino cry ask for me oh na o ka wo de bo ma me I another bre ono ni afenyo na we ababe ka ho ya me promise but I'm not you aso ye film na say ya say ne kasa ne ya jen don't pray oh yes Kwame no kwasem no say ahase na metie ne bia
student leadership he was one of
the
good guys
yes na metie ano bia na Kwame I learned a lot and you know me say dey me sit here say dey o ti wa me admire we o kasa na say metumi sua dey and also the answer we want say ba o
enya wa ji say kodi fufu
oka
oni sha ya shema de da ma me ra wo me meeting
kafra
ni bet twapa na kam twa bi e china ene ka besu
kafra
da se bi dim twa
kafra enti no or kasa fine brains no ho a MPP o kasa like me sua de pa wom but I know this is the aso oye kakra oye yi ne ho afiri because asa ne kasa boom ni jenjen o kasa ase dede wo mu dodo de mame oso nsua hwe de obehu an sa ase dede ne ade atam bi nti aso oye afiri line mu nti ba for so ba be ka ho just like you are saying I was told that nipa bi a wo pena sem bu no admire no ko to na mo bi na se ntiase bi mu akwa me say like it pushes you say bi a told that we go extreme kakra wo niema bi eho just like you are saying ya manachi no pay de ankoyi de akoyi fa koyi
me ho asem bi ba asem no me ana meka answer recently now the regional minister has been an attack a free left right center ba na edru ba bia
Sompa FM
na manfo akai enti omu kai a papa no omu attack na enye because of former regional minister the utterances bi ni behavior bi ba ko adwomfo no call no ho na ogina brosan ne so masa gofo abedi tumi okrom apen utterances bi a o make ye no
as no mum
some was amens
as no mum free so that
brati na ni nyagogo jia ni ahomaso ni ahantan jia
nti manager say je ahantan ni ahomaso
amafo abedi post wo how who born dog former regional minister
now
enti etodo bia omuka na fe and this was the worm say so do you believe said the former one was better now fe o mai din no mai din
na ba bia isi din
enti edru ba bia amahonye ni weaknesses ne beba but all can but amahonye de no can no ba refer to
Oluman so die
some say young man ya Oluman so die ne some say young man
Oluman
die ne
Oluman die na baby na excess is kwao na Kwame say o kasa so a Kwame why is I get stations na here tattoo do all the get stations as work as tattoo do
pasa
eno kwa ye ha
What she's doing.
Sompa FM.
I want any post of promo, eh? A Tobia. I had name, ya say. Politicians in Siadian free. Omun Siadian free, a yet omun call for. Because mistaker, ya see, Bia, one wine, a quatanaso at Tiaton, into Kuman quatanaso said then. But said Diana Tekuma Babet Naso, no so a boon. I wish that we will learn from mistakes of Yasinyans and Ibia Suya, Adia free, Afofro. Anna Jansani Pansusia, Adia free on one Casam Funsum. And sometimes, me want to say, yeah, young shady predecessors in BA, and in there, and that situation. One may say, previous appointees may be Omaya appointee Omono. Sikawo, that's so a scanny dear cry no more there. 2 million, a pejao say, ya, and 1 day and 2 minutes for more. Sikawo, pa, so I say, one mato, Nedianis, one and Namguso, would dear any ye. A piano, the idea bow, and I'm bia open bia guso. Na so odi aduane na enye ye odi aduane na enye ye sa na to me tie ba so onya to me na se utimi kura to me ni ya only position but people will treat you to say your oda so abem kare no aji tua yebo a council honorable council bi na em de pa or sometimes when your position ko for unya omo at that time no. They are there with you because of the position.
Because of what they will get.
What they will get, their interest. Continue fear. As I want from them, now I say we are seeing your dear. Now far near Marka, crowd far near Manta, do far. A doubt be free air now both in fire phone. And to that be make us own your opportunity. Serve your people well. Some man for some part. That is it. And to over here, say, Assemble now with your own cat, or your media house, yes, and train your own cat. Because Uncle Cat, MP now say, DC that MC no hodl. Or Frefra on from Cajon. Say, I tell my friend, go with the bill from Becca. Now I go for me now, to buy, oh yes, and who no want to mean come. Near Tom. I fear a bank of Babunza. A down you hope you a down opportunity that way that is 71. Obey him or say. But if serve your people well, there will be legacy at Debiano, ye kai what? Ye kai, ye just idea near your kai. Ye just idea. So politicians should learn. Also, Musia dear, every your maybe home. Call 2 minutes their power and transient power and count some forever. But a bima baba suma. Assistance na up to now omuma ya force so omuma benya baby ehye ya head of state president bi omatwam kwa omuma still amount for ankomu ankasa de komu deserve opportunity anase bisa but omu papa mu legacy bi omu jija to honti ya mo opportunity say mo nyam ye hwese mbetima ye omu ye nso ampa no mbetima ye nie bakwa misa ka papa anya dimpa and as your papa in live legacy bia when him ne cry yen mpo ni am opportunity no eti ya munya dwan ya homa so no da power no enche power de enche 4 years Edward Rabina na no Federal Markets honorable Federal Markets minority leader Onua from the horse's own mouth. Or sing call 4 crowd no muno and this is for the opposition no mu omu bua omu ebim bagye mu afiri omu e do mu free so no sa kwofo no mu from kro mu mfa MP to MP of friend on fa na wo bodi abodi MP to MP of friend na on fa na wo wa Bob no rank and I do so I am saying say to me na expiry date. And to one your opportunity to serve your people, serve and serve well. Some na some ye, that is all. And then we are CEO, and then I am minister, and then I am government appointee, we are MMDC. What your position be office be here? So jajanya humasona se ranko fo bim. Na send your kwai na fa so koye no. O ba sa kwai na abefa so ti omu a wo fa so awu mu no. Omu a na obefa so akoba.
Sompa FM.
There are people who are coming in opposition. As the we are seeing no me ni papa. Mo ba ye de ba ye de nya sa na be ene omya bonsamfo kura che ni pa bia. Sometimes people want to come to them not because ebi okra is kasem. MP bion. Kwame ko MP fo ni fia. Eya na areho. Anopa be ko bia ni pa on so de kura ni pa 50. Pa 20 to sorry yen ana ohu nipa no fro mu nyina no so mu nyina metwanhia ba bi fa ko no mu nyina etwahia no so okay momo mo ho number said ye no 1 2 3 4 on sa no mu ye 50 51 do ka cho mu say na ketua e de ma no eye sei o kan na ketua chense is in public nti obi anim MPB aketua o kan na ketua chense ma ketua ni Moye 50. We buy we so up 100 million. We so up 200 million. We so up 5,000. We so up say. Me che me pay ni nyina akra mamwa enso. Aside that no, MP common fund. Untimi fund san ko cancel the baby to school fees. You bet like you have issues. I don't church you musa no think say ni pay no. So all sacrifice so say we maba no. Next batch beba. So okase o sacrifice crowd bi oba bia ni obenya ne de ense say ye ne den na afi omuti wo obi antimi nkasa ano busom say ana mususu say me nkowia ayi sika nke de kwakosi obo kuro bi omunim ne pass kuro no omobo ke kwakosi school dan mo so omuma no ombetimi akọ school mi nkoyi sika no na yenya omu school na yensi nru ba bi ne yenyai na me fa nhwe mu de na mo pe yemo Ghana kro no ana na no so mu ti ho o ka chum so okay saadia ni pe ni nso de odi nyina mo anya me nu pre no nso ne ne ire ne ma be de enti saadia ono na yiwi de aka do wo cha mu omu anyi no mu ncha mu efiri ho nipa bebre nko ho bi so sometimes Kwame, how you talk to the people, let the people know reality.
You carry them along.
Omba chire yensa obi bod bedi kra na mpia nkwa ebedi na tem. Eyi ase wa ma ebedi na tem. Eyi nso nya woni mu anyo wa ho ofe nko a oba ye hwe so obetu botom. MP ko bo ensa 200 kra ni edi na tem. But e dey no betuma ko eye be 10 20.
Sompa
But because of me mam ka kire MPC ni bi wo ho mu ba afa bebre na akro no no so mu bo. Ba bia ni so mbi omunsa wura no mbi omunsa wura. Enti contractors ni bi ane ba twom no amo ska kakra seje fashion na contractor no onye philanthropist nti at the end of day no obeje contract bi ahyem na contract na odi ahyem no se contract na also odi sika 2 cedis na ya 2 cedis no wa already wa ma MP 50 wa ma ni 50 pesos so and aka 150 pesos onu atwe materials ne be cost na about 150 pesos but this time round MP ajimu 50 dada and onu so be di also at 50 it is sad ya 1 cedi no be project of Abia 2 cedis na aka say project papa be no beti my amam TSC school down within some few cracks in the demna Jensen as you on top materials papa and that is the situation we are in now. That is the situation. Titodo bia enipa ni ba mudia mon show mo na munti obi on ma me ka chem MMDC sin bebre obi on ma ne mayors no ebi on ma omo gate yetu the other before your back will be a fair chiro. And he said, Omshen any partner donswa. No a fair chiro colem. Now near no too long. Because stress and sometimes you are near broom so. But a casa.
Sompa FM.
A casa. Letting them know reality than say. Ombebana femu popo mu ne bi dibiatam. Kwabrani jina brosan so no kan awrade. O kan sama enim akire adwadifo. Sa time now the be ya abo adwadifo no. Sa time na ka de church o mu reality a ankomuti ase ekoi. Fani panya hwe kin Nebukadnezar suban. They been so live open lifestyle. Live this Arabian king. Ti otima for no say and life is cozy with you. Ti skaba me bi ni. I don't mount more pressure. Biso ti so no mu tese atantanti de yom call for at time. And this is what we are facing as of mine. Bible that make catch you be about position is say power is transient and cow 7 de biarada. Ha uchu mutan obeko. Uchu mutan obeko. Rollins ye ku I drew baby or semeko democracy. Tuonu so ababa ko to so mienu. Ko for baye. Wo ya dai edru baby president ko for say party kura ya di omu invite no.
Ene no kra.
Party kura ya di omu molu ma ya.
Yes or no say na etisa.
Oh so me tell me I can't talk for him.
Ne mfane nya hwe biem.
Enti kai ne hu se de e no. David e be yo bi o. Ti ahombrase ye. Chia no doso. Chia no e doso. Ati. Giano e doso dodo. Hey, na kwa no anya position wo Ghana ha. Ya hu so bi pen yo. Ya hu so bi pen. Wa ban tu mi na ho de yeza. Azo bi abie na adwuma no ama manager bi se bedida ase bi wiase na o de o ne Nebukadnezar. Na de adwuma ne nyan gura no. Na wo. Edi sometimes you know it is good to be disciplined. Discipline is important. The African man do have the discipline on pay. But you have to be served with all humility. What it? I mean, I don't know for beba na yenton yo man kakra krem.
Oveni ma me na si biem na.
Yan kan so ko for say anope ye hwesen. E wo Sompa, e hwen overseas 21st clinic. Wase he ya. Doctors ne ba. Omu ginam gidigidi. Ene nurses no e ye free.
Nti anope first announcement na me di fam. Free screening na ye di ebre ya tiefo. And when him says Sompa, and I'm say yes, some or some papa. Na yes, some yina, ye genitive for home, na yes, some yina, a yet him for some, and a yes, some tea. And I'll pay baby, I will be a wood teameno. Ye a simu screening, ye hell and simu, kakabina how. Ya nasa okasa, a moo sent to womb, as I won't say no, a bee, a ninasu ye, as a baby, ya, a how be a war when no one say no, a honor. The patch out to America. But we are 21st clinic. I walk overseas. We trap and cronoa. Alpha radio. On send me faso. A ho and I walk Sompa TV, Sompa FM baby able to know. And they walk. Yeah, the doctors are cuckoo dam. One more my benny. A war a year and say her emu. And I had your more eba. And until and Jessica dear a free. Said the Enkawoya was saying no one how. O kaka bi how a wode kɔ me ehwe ne wotua ka wotua sika kese no we de ye ne free ye ne free o free untua hwe untua sempoa untua dama untua kapre ye dwene wo ho na ye pese ye som wo Sompa ye pese wo pomudin no so esi ne nan so kwa me ka obi ore na wontumi wesa o ode hye na num sisi a obo unse na aso bono dwedwedwe ne wayi ontumi nwe ni nyina ne se wo hawo wanum onse no hawo kakra tutu mre kabra anim ha ya Sompa FM ne episode enta kabo mu a yɛde saa dwumadie no ɛba yɛde saa ɔsom no ɛde baba bɛsom timamufo nti wutie mi a tutu mmereka bra o de he sɛ wo se wonni ha ukra wo num ana wansi no mukra bra behwe ebi nso ana bibi ɛwɔ baabi a ɛhyɛ ase nkakra wani ma ho tutu mmereka na bra na doctor fo no ɛnhwɛ wo na yɛmmoa wo na fi bibia ntumi enkoyie emfama ɛwɔ hɔ nti mesrɛ mo de bia wo bia we de free of charge sompa nso de yɛsomo ɔsompa na openi enra me sure say efa wasum kakra office of the special prosecutor hon sensema ebobo de baye ne hon sensem and I know very well say office of the special prosecutor was created because na Ghana for a GDN corruption fight and I say ordinary prosecutorial chain na yɛde ɛko corruption no na sɛ abafom na GDA enni wo mu biem because yɛbɛte sɛ wɔn bɛ maso sɛ ye na koto sɛ din yɛ ntehwe ɛno nti ne yɛde office of the special prosecutor ɛde ɛbae but enne yɛnya branche bako a yɛfrɛ no Noah a wɔde sɛbakwa kopie mu Supreme Court akyerɛ mu sɛ office of the special prosecutor need to me bia sɛ odi bedi juma odi edi na de na nka menim ne se yopeninka ye benya attorney general and nam se parliament and passes a bill he will go and defend the state, he will go and defend parliament, he will go and defend the special prosecutor that was created by parliament. Yeah, if the executive for ewo and a ma parliament so eji two mu na fe ye de buy. But here is the case say the attorney general who is supposed to defend the state, defend parliament, is now siding with the individual nipana or no it is as a ekupie mo court. I'm a tie me who jiri me so it left me with many questions. Say any na article 88 no I was here shall say a referendum kakra na and now say constitution no review no kra no I was here perform baby na corruption fighters wo mo beko atia kataso se ne proye no I was here create a room for them our constitution mu no omutumi nya prosecutorial powers now we independence no so yetumi de shop monsa sebe ya ombetumi akon corruption na fe yetumi aboa ne abre na se atu ase ana because adechie bia ne da nyina news ane nsemo ebebo aba nyina ne say obi inflate prices obi adi sika obi awie sika bi fa nsemo sika bi yesei ye bete ho saa na akoda tinanka ye nyina ye nim senka special prosecutor ba yidie obeba beboa na oba betu ase. But here is the case say the defender is now siding with the challenger. So it leaves with many questions. Say, a lawyer for a multi anopai. Is a quite many bit to me the office of the special prosecutor, the article 88(4). And their first one, a bit to me office of the special prosecutor, a year created by parliament to say, Niduma umramedi say no, obey to me di no afanshi. Was the minimum say? Attorney General was appointed by the president. Into a political appointment. Yes, indeed, Ubetumi say office of the special prosecutor was appointed by the president. But over ne age limit or best say on fumie bibianko chuo baby a bind bia ne president bia ntumi be yinadi. Said ye nim say electoral commission adwuma etie ye nim say ye chief justice adwuma esitie ye nim say NCC nim penifo ahodo bi adwuma esitie no sa na office of the special prosecutor so de etie para no pai midi ya wo me mu pa na me nim sentia attorney general eko atia office of the special prosecutor say or jine juma ye and I will jine to me be afrin in sem. And here, this only sends a message say the attorney general is not interested in fighting corruption, ne corruption related offenses. Sana metiasie say the attorney general no oni interest say yanko ni entu katase se ne proye ase emfa mfiri yememu ha because senka ebia ono nso ewo sani so di hunu no say corruption ne na sefo pesu tu ase a ka me sure say nka by this time obe defend the special prosecutor na ebi krada was suggesting ways yede saa na montuo no ne saa office no faso a ebetumi aboa nanka supreme court so atena se agiatum ne bia se review bi na supreme court beka se yamfamra na kwan we ne yamfamfa so na special prosecutor ntumi mfanse a watumi dia faso but enne we na eboboba na send message nso say Kamia said the NDC party is not interested in fighting corruption. That is why they are trying to fight against the office of the special prosecutor. That is my understanding of whatever that is happening today. That is my understanding of the rulings news now. Everybody bontia ene menu yet because then tesa dia Gadientina Kwame se wo kwatia adia menso mi wo interest ewum na instead se me supporto anampo se bia kwan a wo faso ne anamo a wo faso akonsa ade na enko yi a me meboa oda ma kire se ye fani sei ne beboa anka ye nyina ye betumi arechi e common goal ne atumi akon ade na but rather me se me wo interest na I am fighting you again emwa no kwasempa ne se emwa. And Ghanaians we've seen before, the see what your memu has said. You be peja semwa corruption na drew baby na cancer semu. Afi na kwakoda. Din yantifi biem ewo ho. Din afi yenhu hwe biem. Din afi yantisu obi kura bowa de afa ho. Because akwakoda. Because yenimi ye ho. Because ye namfofo. Because we minua we madamfo enti me ma no ho kire na o kire bi nso me ho kire na me a omwa me. That is what I think it is happening. Senya sadia the president of the republic now wonso me hu stands when I appointed the attorney general brabontin ye hu no say ebia utua na mon bia over the independency and the prosecutorial powers of the office of the special prosecutor no ejina ne nan so. Say a referendum crown was here, ya, mommy enye. Because I already Article 88 no hold there. It means that 2 million national winter. And a parliament is what mobile pass in the minimum Article 88 no more read it here. And who say quite way the was here the first near the created this office in so
Sompa FM.
Ade Akye is subject to review. And the Yensanko review. Yensanko him Yensanko pe ni enhwe ni ehunu say anamo wei na asese de asi tu a ebetumi abo baby aduru no de aduru baby aduru a kire say a feelings e kire yen say we are not interested. If we are interested, let's find another path. Openiki to be on sanitation me sure say fiti jo ada say eba ye di hu nkomo a na okopie mo central region so obo e ka ho asem Momayema ahonidie enye key to us as Ghanaians. So what Pia Bontin wa dress kama na wonam nanso unni huni a na je wo dress na ensipi wo dress na enwie peye so wa dress kama kwakotena wo store no na unni dustbin esi wo store no obi beto ade a efin yedi begum unni dustbin esi store no ase wo prapra ye efin bi egu anim honoma obesesa gum uwie a wo de akwakogu ba bia wo se odi gu a wo hu ne die no ensipi ensita se wo to store no na se wo prapra wie na upie ni nyina kogu gatemu a unni wo hu ni onye man bapa. You are not encouraging and promoting ahonidie. Say what dress kama na mabonti na wonum nso wie na utumi to ball de to baby a utumi to pure water ne bottle water empty you know add to baby a uni wo huni fatu utrim sa say uni wo huni but se wudi wo hu ni pa dia me pa so me ni umie no ye wasodie se wudi wo hu ni a wa woton bayere wa woton bode wa woton eye banchi wa woton eye ekube wa woton enam wa woton ade no ba bia wotena adi wudwuma no at least obi beduru ho abane hu se ahunidie edi mu awo wade yo ne wadam ntuo mu oprapra wi a pe baby pe ore pe se assembly no ana enyam provide ade a ore pe baby ne ade bi na sesaw bola ne fagum raise concern na maye mu bi yentene ehunu se bola eni but babia yedi begu assembly be provide ne yedi ni nyina akogum na yema assembly abefa ne ye nibi na fe yanso ya hyase ne abisa questions ne are seeking for answers from assembly from empenyefo anamo omutu because they say they are towards a bosumi bia ye be ya siesie na se ye be ya siesie na ye ya siesie ne wie na efi no ye nya ba bi nkogu a asiesie no ye ya kwa kosisen ahonidie na ye be ye den na tumi adim ye nyina ye wasodie ye nyina ye wo niema baako mienu a wose ye because we cholera na ya eba no enye yade a efiri baby a se efiri baby na be boy ye no eye fia me no mienu ye eye fia me no mienu ye hyase nkakra boa no na ba peso na fe akopai sent na akopai entuntum na akopai emoa na yenia yetietie mu yenia moa ibi eka yenia moa ibi yedi ube se no aba be so wa bi ene so bo se aboa no hwi no aba be tare enam na woton no so hwi aduane na woton ba bi no aba be tare ho yenia na eboa masaya de yi eba mo nso a moton aduane nso ba bia moton aduane no nso efi ewo ho no ai kesi efi ewo ho no yesremo Yesremo. Do something about it. Minim say ya efinu awo ho ana ma modua ne ye dede a minim. Ba do peni say wa hye so akam ye say omo moto aduane e ben gata ho na zefo omodua ne so ya na taste bo mu pa o. Ba de yesremo. Ebraso. Ade Akye Abia beton aduane no hwe ba bia wo ton no efi ne wo ho no boa no sesa fafiri wo fa kosi baby na nipa na wo twem wo ye hoho a onto waduane ne bida oni bida no ehodo man ankasa kura eye kama ebe frɛ na mana betobi obi wo twem wo hu aduane na sent na buafa ne hunu wo pese ba betobi but all pin aben be bia wo ton aduane no efi bia wo ho ne se de ho sitie nti no obo so ne wokɔ Ade Akye ade sa akɔbɔ mpa nyame ma wo nyadwa wo nyame ma wo nyadwa wo mi wanso na opam customers muma ye ni yehuni efina doso no enano na me ka asɛmbi sa flooding ya esisisi awa kra ne na sefo no efiri ye ne a efina ye ne nkakra na akɔboa no baby enti ensuo no ye se ekɔ na entumi nkɔ akɔpem no epem sa obo se na bua fa so ofie wo store ne wo niema ba ko mienu bi e ben honom no bo se na bawuram na ase no na the flooding dia ba yeri anso ba bia yesisi dan so esi no esan so ka ho anu ya for another day dedi ho nkomo ti yesre anopai yesre we sika hodo aban expend wo cholera ho ne malaria ho ne nasefo no ye betumi di sa sika no e de aye ne marketing bia menu mienu ehia yen but enam say ye ne ya kreti amasa ya de na banti no aban so mpese ye bewu anaso on pese ya de no bedi enya na opɛ ya pomudi nti no akotam sa sika no de ababe enti yesre mmaye ni yehuni produce am pachomate medase na no pay me di wuwrem na fe ye kwa kopie mu adwaman so de ya me de wo kwa kopie mu anopay de di kan pa 21st clinic na me kan for the amount na de che bia me kasa ya me ka me say open sciatica expert tie sciatica expert on say me no kasa me mfa bibia nka ho biem say dru 21st clinic me mfa yade bia me ka ho biem because womo na magi atum na Ghana for ni wiesef anya nyina nso di atum say woto ase yade na ehaw honamre obewu se wuntumi mpegya wonsa wuntumi nante wuntumi nyese uti pains ewo ni padua ni mo no emfa nko ba bia meme nka se ko fa o diabetes no wa yi fabra 21st clinic there bi de minimum mo se wo mo yade tu ase na the whole Ghana wo mo yade wo ho eye
Sompa FM
o tu ase yade na twetwe wuntumi nante ame adanse bebre ne ba mami hu mi anka sanso toda na se nipadua no nkoyi ame sifom be 21st clinic the machines yi the kind of nice see machines bi ho na ye vibrate ya ewie nso ye de mfidie bi de ataltale nipadua no wosisi ne abisa wo hefa na ye o ya wosisi okotodwe o hefa ne de ataltale ya na no nso vibrate ya ye wia ansana nipa no nso anya abotre de nsa afefa ho massage body no saa de ointment afefa ho saa ti wo be sore no be se why fit na mi sa nyumre no ebasa da me da no me dase hati na nyame nwanwa se me kɔ hɔ ya nurses for doctor for no bi kra e ma me ti asese ye bi no massage Kwame yi wo mutumi famu da wo mo da nkasa disa wa ye wia no wanya ne no be sori no mutumi se wa feel ankasa because bibi esi nanse sanye bi ekoso woni nipadua de mo 21st clinic sciatica expert na make am for Ade Amaw wo mo laboratory and scan services wo mo edi djuma wo honum ti se wo se ye de call lab wo se ye scan ni hu babia sa ja wo no ni pains no free the bar na ye na fe ya mo wodru se wo se ye wo massage nso a ni aye ni atu yade na se Ade Amaw kuma se hadom overseas and we are overseas building now Sompa TV Sompa FM a woman I say hope a 21st clinic ewo oboase or council court Scott Junction Accra a dome baba nyanti say o ma free dome anti am say Tantra Hill a hona si o butu sunyane opposite teaching hospital and Kranza teaching my own butu home ye adwuma from 0249311311 0249311311 and I say 0540311311 RSY Novigi Studios,
Sompa FM,
the premier destination for professional photography and film production. We are a filmmaker, we are a photographer, we are a creative director, we here a professional film studio. Na feel they are a podcast, and now they are setting up for special effect. Me pa show to me call RSY Novigi Studios. Owakra Malamabiasi off First Kokroko Street from 057-471-5778 and 030-397-4822 na woni omo enkodi enkomo ewo eye hodom Roman father aduru no na make am for the amount no say on sana 83t has a stroke bi achiwa stroke achiw onam ya nso wo ho wo pressure wo diabetes chronic diseases be a how no a Roman father aduru chronic diseases be a how no a Roman father aduru na wonu mo a na obehu say yes aduru ho na aduru ho what aduru ataduru but aduru we a wakoto a wo yusu no de ye wanya no ye ere ama wo yade na etitio wo yade na how a Roman father aduru na make am for the ama wa no pai setutumnika na kopebito drugstore ni pharmacy shop ahodo nyina no Roman father aduru yibi e wo honom tutumnika na fi kojibi na emwa na entu wo yade ni nyina ase Roman father aduru na nsa yade o etu yade na ase etu yade na se free nipadua no emo from 0247919122 and 0552668517 na fin so atumi aboa na tu yade ni nyina ase e de amaw ni nyina ye Roman father aduro no e na me de amaw seri aropa medical ka kire no free dental screening and a Sompa FM any Pepsodent akabu ma ye de ebro enra na jo obi frɛ me Kwame mo ade no be sha se tambe na hye anopa osim be jiska me se de bi ye nye kapre ba ye nye wo kapre ye nye simpoa dama anopa obi pi mo ya se hadom a wo ma sha se ya doctor for na ba bi di atena se ye free screening no eno titutu mirika na bre na fi ye moa na fi wonum ene senumu hawo na wo honom no ni nyina yentumi emmoa na bibia enkoye amfamaw tutumi kadabra ye di djuma tago herbal mixture and capsules ena no pan so me kamfo e dia maw we ye bema na se wanya baya bi ti se
Sompa FM
babra sono na se bibi no ensori a obeni hadwen o obeni hadwen na obedu fie pa nam da ho na o say ade no nsori hadwen
enti sa na so obobode e
wo se wo petago herbal mixture ne capsules tago herbal mixture ne capsules obeni ebeboa atenkanzu na wuni wo yale menka se me de matenka wo atire wo boa yare na yare pa infections so Kwame remember ni bi omo pe hit and run o your ba emma be ma nya hit and run mane mra no hu se hey ahimfie ho ye kama mane hit no onsenke hit and sink tago heba mixture ne capsules and I make come for area amount drugstore ni pharmacies na o sabe ka bi ho frɛ omo 0243 228 296 0243 228 296.
All right, I don't pay now. What about Tago and every Quadani Costco Mubag making sure a Roya King Cracker Eshim Hospital now. Okwako show beer, Mr. Okon making sure say a chadi out there con Roya King Cracker Eka home. So will fear and you may combat Matthew and you become a ya papa. Would you be having and you become a ya 2 year Roya King Cracker, say be better them. Anopebia, Numrebia, or as a getting yachewa, or boy Royal King Cracker, or we bia, a comma, tasting womb, that way I am obia soya diabetic, soya diabetic, or bia ribia, quadari been paying for ribi, a Royal King Cracker that will pay me come for a day ama war. Shadow so, Sir Royal King Cracker day, a yabushani and everywhere. Kingdom Herbal Center. Kingdom near Adupanye, Kingdom Herbal Center, open the cover by Kingdom Garlic Capsules, and the bitters. The only herbal center, Omode Kingdom Garlic Capsules, Eba Bonting, a Kingdom Herbal Center. The only herbal center, or the Kingdom Garlic Bar Bonting Fest, a Kingdom Herbal Center. Almost that the Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, tremendous capsules, Yamani dia. Tremendous capsules on money, Bubona, if your baby are fine. Socolum the dead. That's a BBI smooth. Bemane kwa munyane. Omu ebeye hit and glue. And one best a hit and sing. A tremendous the money this year in your na a natural health formula. A treaty of vaginal infections. Sounds the menstrual disorders and so a bois papa. Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Memani ye, Ginseng ye. A Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Bemo I mra wompemu a wan hwe na dia yo usisi na yo ya wanya mental stress Kingdom Ginseng ana obobo bie Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules ana abobo afa Kingdom Garlic Capsules Kingdom Garlic Bitters mo bia if so me no soldier for no be sisi ye no magina ye no ma fight ya dia Kingdom Garlic Capsules Kingdom Garlic Bitters ana obobo ana pay cholesterol numbness, hypertension, stroke, boa papa, akumaya dear, wakuma bo piripiri, arthritis, waposo, huntutu, hunfemu, anxiety, any stress releaser, papa. I Kingdom phone nupanibia 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144 0559 761 144. That anopay a kingdom and yoma adeboa. OCP Ghana Limited. OCP Africa Yen Zom ne can call a buff fertilizer. Me so more mudia to sudie vegetables, any cereals. A year bro any de keka hone de. Unya OCP fertilizer naturally formulated. Boss asino banya bonu enuabane ho ban atoso de unya OCP NPK ni bi ene 15 mo modu atoso de vegetables mo kwa mo de ene 15 ana 10 eno so boa mo afa mo modu legumes ne de mo de ye OCP TSP no ana eboa mo aropay ko bomodia ne ko pe OCP fertilizer ano ana eboa 05555 5 de me 0555 90 94 37 1994 37 05555 909437 and 0555 1994 33 0555 909433. OCP Africa are committed to our continent. Arope Bejafo Achana se Kenya Jinamu Ediama the new patriotic party NPP. So Anna Evans Matekras or no Sujam Gidi Kwape communication. Then the Obenya or Mukromo crowd communication Evans record just on our bow Muhammad Denaye. Modem Fanko movie. Munko this sketch na munko ye mistake. But it is a code tebeno, Moamu Firma, Amaka, no credit okay. I'll pay you ready come on and so can't they be who your co or quano and benanze? Can as a move can. Maintenance one more sorry. NPP accuses NDC government of becoming increasingly intolerant. Sounds like GPRT work on fuel price cut. Suspend planned fare increases. Fuel price cut to quote. Government 2 million Ghana cedis. Energy minister and so near diabetes through the ministry. Anomadia Babeto Abonti. Nani say on the same command ye dia ye can be before a year, you know. Senior lawyer Chachichi Kata say, I'll show you where the power lies. Nibebreno. The court political prosecutioner and what will be our main. And I pay Yatanasi ye travel for Abanaton Quem na yedi. Ye baby our man so the wajin chair Abanasha no so say. Dental screening a cost to giddy was here ho. So I don't pay baby a cobia bra. Never shall sing. In Yasa or Simbe or Yansan watch or sing. A bra Bob Caddy doctors free Klein Kumasi conference and equally booban. Or the Mesha sing. Now Okwa Bomba board while be Johnny. Your shop board now, I wasn't in the multimin corruption, sending the doctors, a cuckoo dam. When your doctors, small boys to move, Sompa FM. With daddy boom. The sass was it comes to. Yes, I don't pay Muno. Can I pay matching?
Yeah, many a penny.
Now I'm going to say,
Senya NDC a memoir de via me can't say Unkoye na I see one time to the via and I done near tro Okoka. Who dear Okona Achichia and Kay name NDC is a case a minor node until I might say I'm crying at Bibia and Shadam Kuyi Maisa, but yet yes, and Penisi a treaty in Yacheswa, a record swap him not 2028. Ghana phone in a swansa na omode ahini nama. Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nane pa MPP na ya beto aso o se tem bi MPP e hwefri kofo a ene ma panyina free MPP abemu ne duru bi a na nipa honfonye no aye bibi e but say Ghana for so nsu aso ansanti mo gide se 2028 oh one say empanisi etu nsu cheto ma ejihwa ntino na wo se nsu ne tineko na minim se Ghana fo nyina hu nti yakoye nim 2028 minim se Ghana fo nyina teachers nurses drivers adwadi former nsentro for T3CC muna was here when I send ya mujina MPP so den no mujina almost so me who minia na me monetao o kind of day but the one thing I mean agency by the same thing outside no ha and you are one of the credible guys more media at least obi ntimi fantansa ni bia mo na woni anu mo maka ne de erade ti ase
I like that. God love a do down quad nesta say good morning Kumasi, greetings Ghana. Oyibo Boateng the Fratruman Nebehi member NPP Media Pictures. Mr. President, please pay the unpaid teachers because working for 14 months without salary is fully punishment. Hi to your chairman Odeno Kwakwapia Koka Onaboa Awuku Mike Ashanti Regional NPP Secretary Hopeful Shelley Cheitiwa MP Atrumanwa Bieja South and also Bempanshire so Oyibo Boateng Nebehi Ebedru election Madam Fubi say ya body na di account say o campaign ya do zoom. It was alafa machi.
Yes ya mejo so.
Na obom te say
Nyankopon adaroma bibia eboko na so.
Nyame adom constituency ni mu ye.
Nyame adom.
Response ni ye.
Nyame adom ni o ekoboko bibia ekọ kama. Nyame ya adom a eja yenya umampanya odwen nipa ho. Yenya umampanya odwen Ghana ho. Enye mamfo edi bia eja COVID ikuye no mo sa de ilevi say pie so na ma omani mo ehyehyehye ba ye de nam se adwen Ghana ho ti no ye ba mu ye de no ne ye say yi ye friends taxes is free ho e ma yekomu adwe yi nti nyame adom ye ho ye amabo ni koye ndie timse bibia kama.
Isaac Akroma more fire. Glory be to Most High God. Ameno live from Germany. And this is from Coco Krachi Obwasi. Coco Krachi says Coco Krachi Obwasi Mama is the hope 2024 election. Where is the hope for cocoa farmers, teachers, import and exporters at the port today? Odo adadayen, odo ediyewu, eyezu aza. Greetings to Chairman Otik Akenteng, constituency chairman hopeful for Obwasi East MPP. Masawudu Kumase Bantama 21st century, we still face these administrative challenges as a country. The government should listen to cry of the teachers who work for years without administration, settle and employ them with financial clearance, and it was part of the presidential transition team report that they will pay. Sorry, the NDC government always been unfair to teachers. Hashtag Baumia to 2028 regards to Honorable Sampai, National First Vice Chairman hopeful. And a permanent chair of a Clement Parkle, Oko Sunyani East constituency chairman. I feel with the Montomano. Because last and Koko Regina no your candidate partner can unim say we are Suniska was a momo. Campaign no and the poster yet or the big ball run about 10 million woman Korana for Tiaba. Timo wounded the election.
Second and on your ready so agro.
These guys were ready. Engineer
also shots. Agro. What Nana? Obetima can we are seeing some na. What you so good a message pa. Omunim so obetima ye adwuma ne pa. We are was in a cracker.
Yeah. It must be me cracker through a brabo. Side be a wo.
And yeah. Bompai na unyi me cracker hu influence idea.
Ah, God apologies.
Obekoni nyina na de esen hu ni sese musa ye nipa mienu na miensa. Eni o 3 beti. But mo ye mienu kra na timi street horse. But mo ye miensa 9. Na o wa na ebia wa plan say obemo mo say obitie wa asem tie bia be man case ka bi Americans we man 20 cities e dia ko o wa na op campaign manager be ka go asem ba ko no ba no ma 30 cities so ntino e di obitima ye
yeah na ye bo life obi obutu abando say akwa no ya de pa ni message ni come na so am that so dey this in it we can am see that one kind yesterday see the one there
no no dey
who you vote for
Sompa FM
that's the
Mami K Papa B the government which once championed the free speech has now become a significant threat to democracy, actively diverting attention away from pressing issues such as LGBTQ+, the state emergency on Galamsey, cocoa farmers, concern automatic posting of nurses and teachers, and 24-hour economy implementation, all of which were highlighted in campaign platforms, demonstrating blatant disregard for the populace. 2028 looms ahead. Hashtag free Baba Mando now. Regards to incoming President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Honorable Kwesi Amiyao, Honorable Bafowa, all NPP regional executives, and Nana H. Lab. Okay, anope yanko common so. Na memfanshas ya with fuel. Evans, my buying eka se ministry menu finance and energy importance. No more shente so a bit me aboa. Timem for 2 cedis for diesel, 0.36 pesos for petrol.
Good amedase. Na the dika me chairman of Panyi. I had the general superintendent of the Savior Church of Ghana. Oh. I also Panyi Abraham Kwaku Adusei. Mechiano. And me mami owo me. Ma Grace Kenya Sino. And me nuanta fobinzo wasi. Oh, Aduja Visi near high. Blessing atasafo. And friends say atasafo. Mechiao mpana mi ankasa me body pa.
Sompa FM.
Mr. Samoa. Your friend Abodie or Safo Presby Basic School. I want to switch radio. Namachia Kwabis and this phone na honorable MC. Medase. Na me bahanum. That was last week. Every car say NDC. A kwanya first why to two amamu no. Efekwa na efekeke. Ya to two fu emu no. Me ba be kan say me ba na nkomodie bi yedai. Ekoso. Na se nkomodie no ekosi po a ansha na D11 ni ada your friend say taxes ye free so ama fuel no ebo no beba form ebo no so eba form a entra 15 cedis me ba have can asem no and say nyankopon adaroma president of emergency cabinet meeting no bibia ayeyi a nyankopon adaroma ye free hoyi na de tie ne say NDC ye dwen Ghana for ye dwen timamufo ho obi bai ana covid time or the e-levy bai I will send a nessa dear no de ya you want the chrome there ye live in here day. Ye. Nanso ye buy ye tete so call your friend say 10 cedis. E could do ya fi na fu ani boy fufu na e go fu kra bubia no di agui. And a president ye ne say any info de live in here day. Embra say the be ya e betimi de energy sector ho no e betimi de solve problem bia unuanum jan ho no. Ye so ye de nkakra na ye de ye free ho. Na ade ekwoche ya ye hwe say ye Iran any Israel and the US akoka be kan ye ama Strait of Hormuz babia ye transporting fuel no ya blocking no ama enoma bia nya dey enkoso ma fuel na chase ya ekosoro president hwedi no se da bi ye hwe ma Ghana for nya dey enchi on because the fuel price kosoro ye du and sem kosoro ye nneoma bebre enoma boye den business cement na sense ehwi kosoro kakra ye bibia je say transport system bibia dey affect bibia almost 90%. Enti wadi hu ze da bi kakra we kra fire dis no afei iros ya tumu kakra ko 7200 the first na 6002 ye page na about 7000 na say no makwa na ekosro wo hwe summit na free friends 75 Ghana cedis na about 80 na say ekosro to he no se da bi me hwe ma Ghana for hu nkire omo if you say me buy say me ba be reset ne kire say enuma na ye nuanom ye ya enkoyi bia no wo se ye hwe near the new matuba be da, said they be a Ghana for Asumbe day, ever Juomo. And I say, what she, now we GBI the FCY say about 50 cities, as what we hear GBLT you crack us on betum, is all Majai, a BBA buffer VIP for two is all move tenacity, Enra, Asat, Enra around by 4, but the same meeting because or VIP for moments where they on Betty or Mobonoso. Either said normal in an assess obey day, a better I'm a Ghana for Yakuma day, Adrie. The message say Ghana for Umunya Rishi Mupa. Oh, NDC amomunum. If you say you buy be make market say goods and services almost 90% be aba form. 90%. Minimum dia buy enko form. Enko form into na fight my 10. It is 10% grand enko form 90% enko form. Ama ye duane kra ye di wo fie ye ho atoye.
Enfa 10 more utilities.
Yemfa 10 more utilities. Aha, utilities grade and also ya za te so first step ye te so 4% and I want to buy 3 so it's your credit it's only one the question IMF deal why wouldn't that so
there's a deal still ongoing but
review now you can't see here until you really to kakra it is a best to so kakra na Ghana is a Ghana value
utility the other policy I
am who there nanso ye President Mahamadi agye ehu di say ye ba say ye be ma timamufo Ghana for why dey atomo so ezenze ye the policies bebre na ezen dey esen ba ye buy your friend say disability for ezenze o mu ko school free o hwe your friends tertiary level for training colleges say o timi say sa stress free na dey buy no policy no ye tua half ni wi anza mako tua school fees no all the college of educations ye tua wi ansa na wadimisi no wadimisi letter mbra no na buy na for half no ansa na akọ bank dey akotua problem kakra bi aye wo universities no ho de ense obia sometimes obia on the timeline aya na odi close tie no wogi data na aya na din ti ne to da omo de ne ye dey delay kakra but eno kra na ye de aba ye tua ena ade akoche ya ti as a friend say free primary health care yes ade no so aba ediye tete ni omo so mo ye woto mo ye de no na tum say omo ampanyi Mahamadi de we ye si ye Ghana no ano din unua ba bia ye tachi ba bia tachi yes na anom say okoda ma de chi ya Google kete aba national apprenticeship ye de aba omo ye de amomo first phase piloting kura no
Google kete de amomo de pilot
yes ye de ye piloting
monya establishing
mo but no kura na piloting no kura no ye de nyoma na ba omo de ye omo de ye adwuma enti de pese ye kama Ghana fo nyina te ase ye de se nanu mi na koko se mi enu nkofa ba ya omo de be politics kakra enso sisi ya nyame adom ya ha se ye tuatua ayifo na ye friend se enuma bia ensem fata ukotitiri mu a no kure omo de ade ne ye politics I don't understand menti ase omuntu omu kakra o
anincha
minim yeso ko no ma ye kraje fo ntimi ka kire o se ana diwo fo ntimi ka kire o se ko aba ho do ntuama it's not good no kure
Sompa FM
nana for regime confirming enza de no wo ya e wo so frefre babi bibri ehwe se e yampa se aban tua no adru grounds one pa western region omotua eastern region so sa three regions equal na me fire me dey me case study aba omotua asande region so aba tie de nti na monko a ye friend farmers ne ba na mo kire mo se omonko a omaban ho na so mo dey ade ne ye politics enye fine
all right
so nti e be se mo se omutie ya omonhwe na omototo ne omana bibia anya dai enye kama na ndisi aba ma omon no ti sei emu aye de pa
Evans me that say Ken so that is full Drew baby na we all kind said that the aircon your money aban si 2 cedi on diesel 0.36 on petrol
0.36 on petrol
at least or simple so me ba ko e dey nim no dey be the next decision
all right Nkwantabisa me da na ye be hyensem na se wani tua amamre ene ye the incoming national chairman honorable Boacheja ko birthday na woda enti baby a chairman wo bia no the campaign team in Ashanti region mawo awoda stronko na afei so mako ye Nana Afra Kuma Chidom Hema okay I don't Nana Afra Kuma Ajima Chidom Hema Kuforidia efidiase Chidom Hema opewa sempa ohwe nti anope yes they no nya birthday o chia na afemi ame boss the incoming Ashanti regional organizer DKM there is none that can compare to do her juma wa ye elections on way ni pick up fuel ye edi ni pegum ye campaign he is the person I will say on trema resource ma with that resource no obey juma organizers Ashanti region nyina ni juma Daniel Kwakumensa DKM a boy proud to elections on a second vice not like the whole Ghana enti DKM say we availing no say etu ahini si ahini executives na brand so a yemfa Ashanti regional organizer no enhye nensa yenim so obetima enti eduru ha ye bebo na Chidom na me sha sen me so ma utim ne hwe kumaka on say enkra ne mom ye man kra ne tablet ye mom na the tablet man kra na no mayi ehon accessories ni nyina afrim
how
it's pathetic me wo fa ase oba afie me tablet yi e no de chana musa say so ye de mom ma na ye afrim say ye say I don't know this is very bad I can maybe I'm the pictures no be ma makata ni index number so you know yes sir the unim which hunting into the tablet MPP time yeah NDC for once omo say the poor mo to aso no you form man cry so mo fansu ade omo che tablet ni man cry no mo charges ni nyina enkra ne say omo say omo nko baabi nko to charge eno de minyan certified but de mahu na make anti misrew me das me judi enti Kumaka Academy SHS enkra ne tablet mo fa charges no ne accessories ni nyina emom enkra over be 2,000 as a one or may charges I don't know. And I know the yen to me, but the minimum say almost fetch and I in chronicle charge and so move farm warm.
Now I'm laptop no I'm charge.
Say it's a night or chanko now cook baby and then charge a bias to me charge. Oh, yes, a more being cassette or more person more ton charges on Debbie or more fat charges in the man crank Kumaka SHs. Medasi, Nana Medasi swam Maconia, now met me a clear way free. I no cry na ye ho chire na Ghana fu nyina kasa na fuel sem no Yura John Dramani Mahama etiso na nanka da bia me ka me expect say 31st March twam na Dumso Levia odi beku Ghana for so a wo se o dey solve Dumso Levy so still na obi a wo hwe nyina say Dumso no ye well scratching previously Ghana ni bia nim say auto fuel a me ka say me we ka say da bi but Ghana di bia nim say ye to fuel a Mahama je for 50 pesos e 1 gallon bia so etisa also what is 2 cedis a my who specific 12 taxes no and the fuel levy no dey na was suspended and yensan kan che Ghana for say na watch na pese kra so we na watch back
Sompa FM
and no streaming NDC for so we NPP ni we NDC ni na faka na go to fuel prices na effective obia but omunya say na yi levy fuel straight of rumors no ye petrol no emfa ho unless NDC for be catch say ye fuel na enya na free ho we don't take our fuel from that place. Yes, no. Oh yes, because Russian supporters and NDC and Russian, they have this collabo. The only thing you can say is, oh, Russia fuck off for and it has got nothing to fuel a bagana. I trust you for checking. Our fuel and then found the Strait of Hormuz. So what are they trying to tell us? Yeah, say you attest to 2 cedi 50 pesos there. But the best 2 cedis. 82 cedi 50 pesos now can the coin. Mahama should come and account to the good people of Ghana. Say 4 cedi 1 see the Dumso Levy no I was saying 31st of March twam no and obe account e che Ghana for nyina say musika no me serve some mama fanto so no say na ye do say na nya say na de atua but no be propaganda atifu eso yatiwe so what fu eso so nema boy den what fu eso so nipa na ekwa ofa ka miensa no akofie what fu eso so ka bo ayedin so what are you telling us and no be can and then what is a Mahama for the tete utibiem onte Mahama is a whole no hope no say abey Mahama is a who I'm not saying say fuel but I'll be very happy in taxes to no enya adwumboni
now fuck up me ba ya fan say also full so full life nipa ni twamako profu na odru swame waluda bidu swame odu swame no asasha ase epai anu aya aban
aban die na say only transport ministry ho ana abani transport government only transport ministry say transport minister ho
to be area regulated that when am dem ho say me ludu abaswa
enunti ena tikesi a wi adwe Alhaji Dr. Babuba Umia at the electric buses eba ya Ghana for anti assume ye free electric buses 100 over na be go then or they what is he doing as a prudent and government I was head of department statistical unit Metro Mass we make sure say you place your cars na advantage positions and transporting nipa na net brand so it is a buy car no ho na ye once na say nipa na pe no akofa bus over there no aka but unya provisions bia ma nipa no as a government that is what you are supposed to do.
There's no alternative.
There, yes, very good. At the end of the day,
the private one.
At the end of the day, I buy one for some measures where and go kwema. At the end of the day, nipa no monopoly na na be adwuma. Enti yesre said they should be up and doing na lip service ne populous approach na too much NDC. But omiye sika delay you know. Yenya ye.
Sa accounts na dey na ye dima mumienu nyina because at the time na me kai pa 11. Mo say ya ba be accounts every year bia e be mo hu de ekọ ya nte we nso so mo ba be account eno so ya nte dey na ya na issue amamo
yen enye issue 7 nyina be hu a when Ghanaians were calling us say yeah may e-levy no accounts in the process of yeah account ni faces now then they started with omuniema yen say to the extent say when we were ready cry say ye bekon and omo host omo hijack parliament in ransom now obekai Sam George and Sam Okra George no more match our parliament okay
Sam Okra George is
Sam George is an ode jata the Okra oh you shall come to the nyenro ye beba nyenro entino what are Mumra parliament na yenye na mo match or parliament na na dey be
but I say we can just 30 seconds na me
the woman say your friend is say metro mass buses no
yeah
it's in Yankopon Adom transport ministry no my say the year adwuma wa Ashanti region edu enwumre one start
300 neighbor
kakraba but ni nyina nya de enya start here
100 ba
ufri your friend say on the obekate ba omia ka na obeka yeso ye the buses ni bia ba so hu
electric bus say metro mass
we nya electric asem ye ka no
my head of statistical department
we electric I don't so ya na you using the abakuma say the nya ba omia de
I was the head of department metro mass
so
what are you saying and I can give you the fleet numbers
yes a backroom be say omo de omo basa obia
initiative by free that
yeah no adwuma ana sa light asemi ye nyina no ense light de edumu a ye nyina na edai ehaye eno original minister de betu ni page ECG for edai release a friends letter che say enuma bi na nya dai na enkoyi nto mohwe na o ma resolve na bibia edai aye kama say bia letter no kra no unya bi ehu ya yes
to confirm what ECG said
sanity enti ye behwe na e no yakoreti no mane ehu say enye say bia fusi na omoye no ebia okwa ahwa na ebia edwa kosi your friend say ufri adagoma se na eba edwa besi ha ebia nkwanta na wafa beto aso no aha ze say ye de nyoma ban kakra ya sha ase de yinim say de ya nyankopon de kwa koduru asunja ase no so nti
for the best ma bebaken so yerhwe MPP accuses NDC government of becoming increasingly intolerant. My press conference was geared towards the recent happening. They teach you the arrest of some of your party executives and members. Do you think, sir, genuinely, are buying way any tolerant to one now watching one dream? Did you make it?
Nana, me that say. Now, we call platform back could be so I'm going to be very measured with the presentation this morning because when you be free to me for say yeah in to was NDC Nana, I'm saying this on record. 2027, let me look through your camera and tell NDC social media and apparatchiks and communicators 2028 inshallah we have power and we have power. We remember the arrest of Kofi Fosun Kansa. We will remember the arrest of Baba Amando. We remember the arrest of Abronye. We remember the arrest of Adenta Kumi. We remember the arrest of our social media guys and TikTokers. We remember the harassment of Reverend Tim for Joshua MP. And we remember every harassment meted to us, especially communicators. NDC phone to me the appeal of what they presented to us. Nana, respectfully this morning. Now you share who see Nana, you better remember but we are fortified. No, we are fortified by the jinx of the elephant. The elephant doesn't forget, it retaliates. Obien him say he was no ni renfio. Oye na di o hu anim sa otuaka. Dabi oye bi ese babu ye ho ban. Ye hwe ye hu so ye. Nana, ye wo man we mu ema esuko no ma me ka da bia no me nya adwun. Esuko no ma sa me gya mfi ka chana na do so wa podam. On TV, Sam George catching another say why akoda no nim de oye Randy Abbott TV so catching another say NPP abansi useless. The same okuje to ablakwa mu nyina tena simpie so die NPP atem etwa NPP adapa and central for wo krom ha I'm very passionate this morning. And central for Oklahoma. Now with your own count. Me more be din my mom reverence. Etne TV so edina nado atem be kra catch say play for nanado hwi wonku no. Wan ye chi no. Nana ye chi obi aka kire me. Wo ma ye chi wo bumpo ye sori ko kojira say yam pinimu nyi wo mo because Nanado is a constitutional lawyer and he believes in freedom of speech. Example will be answer. Ye chi no katechi when they one ne da ho making sure that the next day will be answer is out. Me see they are omunya just a peel of the some of ka kire ye. Ghana fo nyina hu. Na mo dia ye draw ya nana with your permission can make macho. Obi draw nana His Excellency no His Excellency President Kwame Nkwantabisa ko mo number current President Kwame say Mahama Murefi Mahama Sami Jenfi Okra George any say wa show mu gain tare etia arresting Jesus Christ. I can give you cartoons or more drawing and I'm to pay. I be to be professional because well, Uti Chrome had a sebe or Muchan and Naduti, and the best will be a wabba de jaso. Oh, Chroma, why near chain? And you my over the year, only to me draw sebe, Nanado, and Ninianum, nom de Neti, I am petty, the crime, I shall say, no much on catch my all lucky be of form. When you now call Ghana, there is not even a single person yet chino. Woman, Makasi and Chibi, one more chunk, make sure the next day they are out. And somebody, and a smart, Captain Smart Anchor. The next day, you remember before, we go there, we knew to the extent that appear stadium on the example, we knew, or much appears to do. Now, Nadu wrote to be and I said, he should release them. And then I see, now, whole judge, the prosecution. Or no crime direct prosecutor when it's going to be conducted by forensic no way them to wish no problem. Remember, the elephant doesn't forget, it retaliates. The Yamian say yes, I mean such a moon and no one will be on my phone. Now my penfosi boom can idea won't crow for ye. You say our hands were tied, do a fire. I'm saying this already. Now more you see ADNC freedom of speech. E can say the pure me nyamo mu bi no mu ye. The pure me nyamo mu bi no mu ye. Basen telekotre TV so. E ka che Ghana nyina say Nanado any gay for na nua panyi kura ye gay na gay start fi Nanado fi. What it is so be ende. And why you $9 million koto ekudua kwansusa. E 5 million Ghana cedi e koto teletro serve apepa auto. We will get there. Omo bi kutimi koto TV.
Officially every church and
say now all the idea call all the project call one call now Ministry of Finance are to force in the sign approval and then can you divert them funds? You can't until say it's made for the right purpose. It's on the Ghana MPP need be any to was here. Say your more promise teachers for teachers work as just to my musu and on your menu now or better pill no 2027 they should be ready to arrest some of us.
Evans
na me bra panyi me ya because me wo ba bia odi Ghana ekono me nwa kakra because me nim say political party and I arrest obi me nim say a police for no me say o mo kwa mo share ndisi atade no bia kwa kwachi obi ene na sa na tie is o mo time na appear stadium mo chichi o mo no na is o mo share MPP atade na de kwachi o mo da bi hwe ono o ka baba mando asem a wo kan yon constitution no de na ka e ka say so article 15 already ade na eka udi femu obi a o se ye invite o se ye chew Ghana yemra na ewum so na ade a eye atantan de a yempe a ebese ye possible na ye ade ni free ho na go for president go for minister a home minister e dey friends a give one enter de ni normal colors e draw ne ho e kire de yi e kire so support ya de no eche bibi akra hu a eche bibi enti ya chena die dina beka say political party na kwa arrest no political for no mkwache no na ya ndisi for say do yeso na ya nipa bi betre TV so eka de enzem fata munche no eyemra no ne mfanya adwuma no o manum nya dai enya kama enti za odi de wakoye bia ye nya no ye nya ne sa constitution ye try say e ye o man Bible o man japade e de ba be bo man no ye ho ban se de be ya obi timi ntwese kan kogire obi so se de be ya obi timi mfa e friends o man ni sika ye de eni enti o mbezo mo chese o mo ban no o man frɛ NDC ni bia o man che NDC ni bia enye za na tie o dimi nka bi before na chi obi si ya kwona sa de ya na ye won cheche mu bebre yeso ye de be ma ebi na no a ye friend say legendary tattoo be ka kasa no so obe kasa say sai we will show you ye be kyerɛw no ni kwan say dai ebom sa de a ene na o man ye say no iti yen kan kyerɛ Ghana fo nyina no monte ase say enya NDC fo na share kyerɛ say o mokɔkyeche obi uyi ade a eye papa me brother wote abuzanze ya kye no unu NDC ba ya kyew pen yen kyew evize uhuni asem tidi ene ho asem wa teze chama utumi ode yezika kodo aburo a yehu ni afre no ke yezika na ode kodo aburo na wai oje sai be kyerɛkyerɛm eno no unu eyesum eye bro baba mando yeso mra no me kyerɛkyerɛm eye da ide na ba utrim enti a wo se president obi okọ ama no ne kra akọka an wasem a award na wo se ye de man ye nya mfa ama no di enti na wo di gay ntade ye kwasha president bra na be kyerɛm
award yeso mse nye related to gay
anuntia say before the propaganda say anuntia anuntia
it was took
if a key crowd anuntia key word day what you say if baba man do akoya ni o ma ensem fata so e was ye hwe ni e frɛ no o kyerɛ me so betewa na say nyakopon ya adom na ba o me ade anya de obenya 2028 so e kwa akira na say e kwa koya na e ba no be president a satam ne o man ya hyehyɛ kama wie no ko ontimi medi biem ya na e betewa so ayedai aye bibia kama edi samre no ye kodi ye bibia kama me so bete ho a me nka asembone emfa omampanyi bi ho me nka asembone emfa state minister bi ho so sade na wose ye gu no ye pesade no too much ya na demonstration ye ma me mkoyi ana esere ye ma politics ye tantan de wo mamu ha saa bi wan tiase na do ba ATS ade no wan ko demonstration say onye gajitia number 2 so na mo kura mo ko hye kire mo Ghana fo ye de emfata kura ye nka wasem no one demonstration say obra be ye bada be so enti e be say Ghana for mo fantu mutrim say NDC for ye nchinipa ye nchi obi ya police for na dey etie we no go invite obi a NDC mahama no tiwa wa go invite obi what you say independent
order from above
independent
president I will kill
president of the select
then you achieve muntie tira na afi mo say government
very good.
What's a
beautiful question? What's the MPP Jimmy Papa? You were here. Which your man was
is also good for
simple.
Woman security apparatus and everyone will buy. The elephant doesn't forget.
Your man is critical.
You can seek for police protection.
Simple.
He never sought for police. He never sought for police. He never sought for police. Can we tell you Ghana phone yes, still you defended him. And now Obia Yanti Kroma and then Omudi penny for them just like that. Oh, Sukonoma some joy this some you. We are believing Sanyal
Mahama Emusa. You got Mahama. We never said that. We never said that. Yeah, we shall get to the you know how to cross it.
Provide with evidence. But I have evidence. I have evidence. Tell you, I drove we have don't go there. Schools.
So, seriously, aye. Everybody is kasem. Yes, the tablet and the mawa. Just a GPS in the big kakra. And you're fair. Son, your man, secondary school in the vision. And you're fair. And I ask them, no.
That's the problem.
Oh, and I ask them, no. I don't know by the tablet. And you have been over kind of prayer. And you have been on kind of crack or better go back as the
idea education and politics
to me. Idea told me a bit decommunicator, so yeah, they say, what can BBC or more can. they think say oh say abainidi. But they be a make catch say mo kra na was mo fight the source yes sir. Because President Mahama not who names will be once
Dabi.
Ti mo na mo fight from party through that. Then you chastise here because we undercover abana. It is not helpful.
I know the credit. The headmaster be yes yesterday
IT na birthdays in so ha anope birthdays in gumpa yenya birthdays in I think April 4 doors 0548931931 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Brother.
Yes, sir. Pacho dini baby free.
Mame mo abaso. Ye frame akwesi wa taxi driver me do for junction so pay.
Good akwesi.
But I mame me na do media to mame share o sempa. Or incoming chairman who is here so me advancement na kuka IK. Na thank you sir. On my way on you facing leadership crisis ba. And NDC as a political party which be say the family grant trust. President Mahama kwa bijina simply say to campaign kwa bia. Yen talk time and kwa try yen tina. Amana understand. You know on page chasing ya botre na ade amuka ya na me kezo pa friend light ya even do na ba no. But say mo kata kwa na obi kwa ti no gazu na President Mahama na bukwa akwadi edurana. I can hear the next person kwana you do like you know I think we catch at work. The President Mama even like the DBA on Jesus Christ no matter quantity.
Oh Massa hey even catch you say ECG for the reason by me so can say Greek
Sompa FM.
All right. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you baby free.
I don't know talk to the go do junction.
Sir, get you on.
You namtia channel usubempa onjia namtia amantai kuka yes atantimani na kuka na kakala pesa mekanize media we do kamia onse UCG for me webwa na media sana NDC for kanechire na uni sana mbeka chire se wa mama UCG anka uni beka chire se mama beka chire se 40 to 50% to $1 biazo so they already so we do so no kwa na na dan ko kufa do na to $1 bia 90% the new one feeding po and so na ya da so da dum so nko tinu ka tia wa ko peto so sigan go minuka 36% abawi we are na Ghana for Nyangubo India me am mamu pa ne you who is am mu we dey Ghana for do so we actually 18 months we do when the food from we come and Kotiana ka say o to papa so we 20 million or the 20 billion e dey kuku bian ko nso so in 5 billion e dey ko toilet 20 people go ato na people go do we are na o da so o te name na
exactly that's it. Hello, good morning.
Senior.
Yes, sir. Hey, Boko dia
only I talk about in Kentucky. What is it? I don't know about na. Get the good for job about my la flat at my to secretary in the center again. Who tell us na mention all of it. I should have started just like that. Who tell us my mention. When you hear and some also my itu bagi ala finance jaro. Ini together. Ana bada dari kamu saya kena itu semua kawan sama. Jadi itu mesti. Kalau kita cakap ini cakap itu 90%. Anda cakap ini cakap ini 1%. Jadi akan 10%. Jadi apa apa. Lain ada yang dasar. Itu suka kan semua. Kan jadi yang dasar memang cool. But no one knows. Yeah, I saw Malaysia coming to go independent president. They nearly get to the country or like a phone, like what nearly together. I might tell a friend.
Let us say a call. MC Arboma, and birthday to me for our course, be a moonfan chemme. MCR, let's work on yes. So happy birthday to Awo the model. Awo the model. Today is all about you, and I just want you to know how grateful I am to have you in my life. You bring so much joy, peace, and happiness into my world. And every moment with you means everything to me. I hope this new year brings you closer to all your dreams. From Nak of Atinka TV. Nak, say happy birthday to you, Awo the model. Enjoy this day. And happy birthday to Apostle Clarence Claudio Nana Buampong Asuman. Yes, Wompenyin Ding. Yamin Chow no yo kese. Buampong Asuman. Yame enyo kese. Yame fanfie bebre nka ho. Yame manyi ni me penyin kese. Yame ma ho manfa so magana ni wiase nyina. Hye no so say wa wofo do mu do pa. It's happy birthday to you. Clarence. Okay, move to the next one. Happy birthday to Mami Joe of Abreport Junction. Mami Joe, today is your birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful Mami Joe. Enjoy this wonderful day. May God gift you all that your heart desire. Happy birthday, Obaku. Enjoy your day. Can see a na Becca. Happy birthday to Madame Jamila, aka Pretty Queen of Mankransu Zongo. This is from Dr. Silas. Dr. Silas, no. Dr. Silas say happy birthday, Madame Jamila. Or say or we show say nyame mo akoma so ade embrem. Jami nyame enyo kese. Nyame from fra dumu kwa dumu. More ahofe. Jamila, happy birthday to you from Dr. Silas. And today is your birthday, Esther. So happy birthday to Esther Kunyaklo. May the Lord protect and guide you from Nak Atinka TV. Hey, Nak. Happy birthday to you, Obeku Bami Esther. Enjoy beauty, enjoy grace, enjoy all that you want. Happy birthday, beautiful Esther. Today is your day. And happy birthday to Jidan Blessing Afrani. Jidan, today is your birthday. Jidan Blessing Afrani at Mpatuam in Amansie West District. May the Almighty God bless you. This is from your father, Mr. Kwadwo Afrani. Not one our friend say, Coach. Our Mpatuam, our party coach. Coach say Nyame shaw. Nyame mama penyin titiu. Coach say kai shane so say nepa o papa odododo wati timati mu nyo de so papa don mon kwantem. Happy birthday to Nicholas Bolo Edison Mami take it BM. Happy birthday to Nicholas Bob Edison, Senior Maintenance Supervisor at Rockshaw International Mining Company at Avanfree site. Engineer, happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. You are at I Am Free. This is from your wife. Oh, doyere papa be Florence AJ at Bebiani. O wife will say, Omo awodapa. O wife say, Osem koso ma. Nyame ma de oye nyina amrem. O wife will say, what do wo na oye kunu pa we nyawan ko be day. Happy birthday, sir. And happy birthday to Madam Comfort Ajoa Kumiwa Majoa. We wish you a fantastic birthday. We're free or church members of Kingdom Inheritance Worship Center. Almost say happy birthday to you. Yami for dumu kwadum yami ma nyininche apomdin wom. Ma Comfort, happy birthday. Ma yanentema ya abeko wak badia neze bibia shiegu. Happy birthday to Lilak. A free Boatin. Lilak a free Boatin from your mother Judith. Dodona friend Efia Gucci of Akumadan Afrancho. O ma me say o sensha mau. O ma me so o sen kwatenti mau. O ma me say nyini be penyi pa na be ken penyi kese na odo. O ma me na friend Efia Gucci. Efia Gucci ba ko pe. O say happy birthday to you. And the last one, happy birthday to Abdul Malik. Oko Suku, our Offensive College of Education. With Rabia 2 of Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Rabia say, Allah, enyo kese, ala emfomfra adum nkwa adum ala ma wakoma so ade nyina emrem Rabiatu ayadwuma Sompa TV Sompa FM na wasendi we de mehwehwem and enjoy your day. Abdul Malik, happy birthday. And that know, dear friend, and I me also Nkwantabisa, a month for Nkwantabisa, and it is a blessed for morning. Denta, ye chicha, sing. I see her brother doctors in show. Work, I am ready. The team, no, I am ready. Mbapa, Tinagua, Orlando.